Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're ready to attach a picture. First, pick a suitable file and why that matters. JPG or PNG are universally supported, and smaller files send faster. Once chosen, open a new message and enter recipient and subject so the attachment won't be forgotten. Next, find the file in your folders or camera roll. Make sure you know its name and location so you can attach it quickly without disrupting the flow of your message. Now attach the image. Drag it into the body or click the paperclip and select the file. Either method uploads the picture. Once attached, decide whether to insert inline so it displays in message or keep it as a downloadable attachment for smaller emails. This choice affects readability and load time. Make sure to add a clear file name or alt text for accessibility, and compress the image if your provider flags the size limit to prevent failed uploads. Finish by verifying the picture is attached. Look for a thumbnail or file name and confirm it opens in preview. Once satisfied, add any message text and send. If it's important, send a test email to yourself to ensure the recipient will see the image as intended. If the attachment fails to upload or the recipient reports no picture, check file type and size first. Then retry on a stable network or compress the image to resolve common transfer issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.